Today we are going to talk about something really fun. The way to say wine or alcohol in Chinese, we say 酒. 酒 is a third tone, so we have to go down and then up. 酒 is exactly the same pronunciation as number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. It's the same sound, different character though. The way to draw 酒 in Chinese is the combination between the water radical as well as the wine vessel, i.e. the wine container. So you combine the two, you create 酒. Good wine, we say 好酒. 好 is good, 酒 is alcohol. So any form of wine, any form of alcohol beverage, which is good, 好酒. 好酒. And 好 here is a combination between the woman and the boy. When the woman is with the boy, i.e. the child, then the woman is happy and she is good. So 好酒 means good wine. 不喝酒 because not everybody drinks wine or alcohol. So we say I'm not alcoholic, I'm teetotaler. In this case, I say 不喝酒. 不 is no. 喝 is to drink. 酒 is anything alcoholic. 不喝酒. So to drink very good wine. Some people, they can't tell the difference and they will be happy whatever alcoholic. But if you are quite a connoisseur, then in this case, you may only insist drinking good wine. So we say 喝好酒. 喝好酒. 喝 is to drink. 好 is good. 酒. 喝好酒. And then what do we do when we 喝好酒? We say cheers. We say 干杯. 干杯. 干 is to dry up. 杯 is your cup. So I'm going to cheers to myself. We do this. 干杯. And this is, don't take it literally. Don't drink up and dry up your cup because you'll get really tipsy. We say 干杯 is just a politeness like 亲亲送té, the same meaning. Alright, today you've learned how to say 酒, 好酒, 喝好酒, 不喝酒.